COO, Universal Parks and Resorts Pacific Rim, Tom Merriman.
Welcome everybody. Thank you so much for joining us on this very special occasion. I know it's cold, so huddle close. It'll help you warm up, but I think the energy we're going to create in the next 3 days is going to warm the whole area. And you're here to enjoy it. Yeah, please. You know, my script says wow. So wow. What an exciting day. The reality is, it's been exciting for a long time, and here we are. I'm sure all of you, just by the energy I'm hearing, are as thrilled as we are for the opening, the grand opening of Super Nintendo World. We're thrilled, yeah. You know, I grew up in Southern California. I had an opportunity, really, quite fortunate, to watch the transformation of Universal Studios Hollywood over the years. What started as really a simple studio tour to what is now a world-class theme park. We've got the best of everything as time has evolved. And again, what I love is the transformational aspect of our park, from the rides, the shows, the attractions. It's created a transformational guest experience. And for me, what it really means is that evolution is only now taking shape. Tonight is a pivotal moment. We're introducing Super Nintendo World, and you're lucky enough to be a part of this group. So this evening we are introducing Super Nintendo World to the Hollywood portfolio, and really the Universal Studios Hollywood portfolio. We are thrilled by this opportunity. We really couldn't be more excited. What it means for us is we get to share it with you, and even more importantly, just a couple days from now, February 17th, Friday, we'll officially open to everybody in the public. But again, you're getting that first preview tonight. So as you'll soon see for yourself, Super Nintendo World really is one of the most interactive, immersive, and technologically advanced areas anywhere. It's part of what makes us so proud. I love the cheers. You can keep going. There are so many people to acknowledge. We'd probably embarrass ourselves trying to do it, but there are certainly some people. Our creative team from Universal, and many of them are here tonight, they've done a fantastic job ideating, working with Nintendo, and bringing it to this point. And really, I'm very proud of the Universal Studios Hollywood team, the leadership team led by Scott Strobel, our Executive Vice President and General Manager. You know, their incomparable attention to detail and what they do in terms of extraordinary guest service make us so proud of this park, and it's one of the reasons we are so proud. We're just able to take it to the next level. I do want to recognize one individual very specifically, but Debbie Henningsen, I know she's out here in the audience. She's our Senior Vice President of Revenue Operations here at Universal, and she has done some amazing things in her leadership, spearheading what we're calling some really innovative culinary and merchandise creations we think are going to only enhance the visit for our guests to Super Nintendo World. So we're pretty proud of that. Also, I do want to thank our friends at Nintendo visiting here with us today, working with us through this entire process. But we thank them wholeheartedly for the enduring partnership. It's been years, and it's going to continue for years. I would also be remiss if I didn't take a moment and share my sincere and heartfelt thanks to all the Universal Studios team members who have been a part of making this day a possibility. So thank you very much. Now, I feel the energy from you. I think you're ready for this. I am going to ask for you to join me in something here. This is audience participation. But I want you to help me channel Mario. So what you need to do is you got to put your right arm in the air, keep your right leg planted, put your left foot out, and just tip your foot up a little bit, and put this left arm in an action pose. And what we're going to say is, let's-a go. So on 3, I want you to see, let's go. So 1, 2, 3, let's-a go. All right. It's my pleasure now to introduce you to Mark Woodbury, our Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Universal Parks and Resorts. Thank you very, very much. Mark?
Thank you, Tom. Good evening, everybody. What a wonderful night to be celebrating this amazing addition to this fantastic park. I'm thrilled to be here to welcome you, our special guests from Comcast and NBC Universal, especially Jeff Shell, our Chief Executive Officer, Donna Langley, Chairman of Universal Film and Entertainment Group, and many of our colleagues from across this great company. We have another very, very special guest here tonight, Shigeru Miyamoto. And his colleagues from Nintendo are here all the way from Japan. Thank you so much. Privileged to have you here tonight. You know, creating an entirely new immersive experience is no small endeavor. So I'd like to take the chance to recognize and thank a few people who made it really happen. Terry Koo, who led our creative team, had a great vision to make this real. Worked very closely with Nintendo that paved the way for where we are today. And as you'll soon see, this is a really detailed, complex environment, very difficult to build. That task went to Mike Hightower, Joe Casey, John Corfino, and their teams that made Super Nintendo World a reality. To our remarkable Universal Studios Hollywood team, thank you for all of your hard work. I know you're ready. I know you're excited to welcome guests here in just a few days. And of course, to Nintendo, the creators of Mario and so much more. We are deeply appreciative of everything you brought to us to make this vibrant place come alive. So thank you very much. You know, our powerful relationship with Nintendo is built on creativity and a shared vision to create something entirely new. We literally brought you into Mario, Luigi, and Princess Peach's colorful and exciting world. And it's been a terrific journey with Nintendo over the past 7 years that culminated in the first Super Nintendo World at Universal Studios Japan in 2021. And now, we're ready to roll out the red carpet and open Super Nintendo World here at Universal Studios Hollywood. And there's more to come. Soon, ready? Soon, we're gonna add another Super Nintendo World to Universal Orlando Resort. The worst kept secret in history. Our Universal brand is built on bringing the world's most compelling stories to life in unique and captivating ways. And with Super Nintendo World, we're taking immersive storytelling to a whole new level with an entirely new genre of themed entertainment based on Nintendo games and characters that people around the world have grown to love. This entire land is rich with interactivity, distinctive merchandise, inventive culinary treats, and Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge features the first of its kind augmented reality technology, which enables us to translate what generations of people have experienced with Nintendo games and bring it into an immersive ride experience for the whole family that is unlike anything else in the world. So, let's get the celebration going. Yeah! Allow me now to introduce to you the stars of Super Nintendo World. Princess Peach, Mario, and Luigi.
Well, hello there.
Luigi time! Ho ho!
Greetings, my friends.
Hi guys, thanks for coming. Great to have you, but where's Mario?
Hey! Hello! Hey, how you doing? It's me, Mario!
that was one heck of an entrance. Thank you for joining us. And now it gives me great pleasure to introduce to you one of the greatest creative minds of our time, the visionary behind everything you see here tonight, Representative Director and Fellow of Nintendo, Mr. Shigeru Miyamoto.
Watching from around the world. Hey! Wow! Let me speak in Japanese. ユニバーサル・パーク&リゾートの皆さん、そしてトムさん、マークさん、今日ここで皆さんと一緒に立つことができて本当に幸運です。
To the team at Universal Resorts and Events, and Mark-san, Tom-san, I'm very excited to be here with you tonight.
本当にこのランドを実現するためのね、パートナーシップ、それから過去になかったユニークなものを作ろうって、世界中になかったものを作ろうという共通のビジョンを持っていただけたことが本当に幸いでした。
Thank you for the close partnership that made this land possible, and for the shared vision of creating something new, unique, and unprecedented.
そして世界中の任天堂のファンの皆さん、本当にありがとうございます。
And to all the Nintendo fans around the world, thank you.
今まさに任天堂とユニバーサルにとってアメリカ初のスーパー・ニンテンドー・ワールドのオープンをする記念すべき瞬間がやってきました。
We are now in a momentous occasion for both Nintendo and Universal as we open the very first Super Nintendo World in the US.
皆さんと一緒にこれを祝えて本当に嬉しいです。
And I'm overjoyed to be able to celebrate this moment together with all of you.
マリオ、ルイージ、and Princess Peach. Hello, friends. ずいぶんね、高いとこから出てきましたよね。
That was quite a trek you made all the way from up here.
なんかまさかね、クッパが突然出てきたりしないですよね、あっから。
But Bowser's not going to be making an unexpected visit tonight, is he?
よく出るかも。
Could be.
はい。このプロジェクトをね、始めた当初から私たちは世界中の任天堂のゲームのファンのあらゆる世代の人たちに向けてこの機能広告を本当に作ってしまおうということを目指してきました。
From the moment we began working on this project, our goal has been to bring the Mushroom Kingdom to reality for all fans of all ages around the world.
で今回のこのユニバーサル・スタジオ・ハリウッドでのオープンでさらに世界中の人にたくさんこのマリオの国を経験してもらえると思います。
And with the introduction of this land in Universal Studios Hollywood, I believe that even more people will be able to experience the world of Mario in a truly interactive and very immersive way.
で今日皆さんも含めてこのスーパー・ニンテンドー・ワールドでインタラクティブで自分の体で体験するっていうマリオの世界を楽しんでいただけると思います。
And I believe you'll have the opportunity to really be able to experience what it is to be in the world of Mario at this park.
本当に一人ずつ自分で体験してみてください。すごいゲームの中にあるような秘密のネタとかいろんな発見がたくさんあるはずです。
And I'm asking each and every one of you to really enjoy yourselves here. There's going to be a lot of secrets and surprises that you'll find here.
そしてさらにこれです。パワーアップバンドだ。
And the power-up band.
このパワーアップバンドを使うとさらにいろんな発見をしたりチャレンジをしたりしてハイスコアを目指せます。皆さん頑張ってハイスコアを目指しましょう。
And with this power-up band, you'll be able to experience even more, take on even more challenges, and reach for the high score. So good luck.
さあ、もうみんなワクワクしてますよね。早く遊ばせろ。
I hope you're excited as I am.
Are you ready?
Miyamoto-san, thank you for everything, my friend.
Thank you.
It's been awesome. Okay, we need your help again. We need your help in making a countdown to the opening of Super Nintendo World here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Friends and guests, we now invite you to discover and play in Super Nintendo World.